Hey guys, Deronda here with Foods 101. Today I'm going to show you how to make these puff pastry pizza rolls. Don't let them intimidate you. They're so fun to make, yet so delicious to eat. The ingredients you're going to need is puff pastry. You can find this in the frozen food section of your supermarket. Let it thaw in the refrigerator the night before. I've got salami I'm using, but if you'd like to substitute for pepperoni, you be my guest. I've got 6 to 8 slices of provolone cheese, but if you'd like to use mozzarella or whatever other cheese you may. I got 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce, and 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Let's start with the puff pastry. On a piece of parchment paper, I'm going to roll out my puff pastry. We're just going to separate it and remove the pieces of paper that keeps it from sticking together. With a rolling pin, we're just going to roll it out a little bit until we get all sides even. That looks fantastic. Add your pizza sauce. And just smear it on there. Using a brush, you can evenly spread it here on your puff pastry till you have an even layer. Sprinkle with your oregano. Add your Parmesan cheese. That smells so delicious. Add your provolone cheese. Take it right to the edge. You can overlap if you need to. Add your salami. Begin to roll. Be very careful. For the egg that you saw at the beginning of the video, we're going to do an egg wash. It's 1 egg and 2 teaspoons of water. We're going to beat until the egg is well incorporated with the water. That looks great. Brush the outside of our puff pastry. This will give it that lovely golden bakery look once it's baked. Lovely and golden in color. Roll it over and get it on the bottom as well. To slice, we're going to start in the middle. I'm using a chef's knife, very important. And then we're going to slice the halves into quarters. And then we're going to go in between each quarter and make 1-inch pizza rolls. And at this point, you want your oven preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Off to that preheated oven on the middle rack for the next 15 to 20 minutes or until they're golden in color. Use your timer and no peeking. Let's check out these puff pastry pizza rolls. Oh my, and they're just going to be so cheesy. Looky there, that salami. It smells so good. The pizza sauce. That provolone cheese. I can even smell the Parmesan cheese. Wow. Amazing, delicious puff pastry pizza rolls. And loaded with flavor. Makes 8. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, y'all. And I'll catch you lovely people later.